First, it was the fridge is empty. And then it was the GoFundMe for the fridge. Like what? Like what?
A few moments later.
Alright, first of all, the Saratoga water might be the most expensive thing in this fridge right now. I got butter, sauce, some cheese, some more cheese, refried beans. Like, bro, don't ever, that shit is full as hell, bro. Don't ever disrespect the fridge, bro. The fridge is there, okay? Where's the carrots, thyme, cabbage, tomatoes? The fact that you keep your thyme in a fridge just goes to show you might be drunk, buddy. The sour cream might be a little old. It might be a little expired, bruh. Buddy's refrigerator is more empty than my head.